your girl, Big T.
And this little T.
Today, what we're doing today,
We are
cooking. She picked up the
That's the first thing I can grab.
We are having a cooking competition between me and her.
I'm gonna win.
She thinks she gonna win. If she say so, let's
You know,
say
y'all know she called me this morning talking about something. You know I'm gonna win this conversation.
competition.
This competition.
Cause I'm gonna win, cause I cook better than her. She got all the school, but I'm just a natural good cook. Hold up, before we even get into this video, y'all make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notifications, and get us up to at least 100 likes.
Please, 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 please.
We're having a pasta competition. Who can make the best pasta? Alright, Lil, let's get into this cookie. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. You gonna lose. You gonna lose. Cause you gonna lose. Tiana can cook. I ain't gonna sugarcoat. She can cook. And she likes to cook. Alright, see, I got some garlic butter, some bok choy, some tomatoes, some chicken thighs. I got my fresh vegetables, my scallions, my bell pepper. I also got onions, is in the refrigerator. I got me some vinegar so I can clean my chicken. I clean my chicken with vinegar or lemon juice if I don't have no vinegar. And of course, my pasta. First, I am going to boil my water. Alright, time to get the cutting. I'm over here cutting up my chicken into strips so they can be easy, so they can cook faster.
That's garlic butter.
Yeah. Get everything nice and started. Put my meat for my pasta. My meat for my pasta. It's garlic butter. I like over oil. Give it another flavor. All my vegetables. I like colors, so I got yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, got scallions, regular onions. The reason I don't put seasoning on my vegetables is because I got seasoning on my meat already and I don't want to over season the stuff. Cook your vegetables down a little bit and then you can add your meat. Alright, now that I done got it now cooked a little bit, time for me to add my meat. All this meat. Make sure it's nice and cooking. I wasted noodles. Put my noodles in the pot. I am seasoning my water where my pasta is at so it can have its own little flavor. I use complete seasoning for most of the things. Get back to you when my meat is nice and done. A little update on mine, I added my vegetables. I changed the eye so I can cook a little slower. I added my vegetables to my chicken. This looks so good. Jesus. Ah, that is so good. Look at it. Look at it. Whew. My finished plating. Don't pick at me. I want y'all to make sure y'all comment down below which one of these it looks the best. Hers versus mine. It's a chicken fettuccine. It's chicken fettuccine with fresh mixed vegetables.
Call me Chef T for nothing. Mine is gonna taste better.
Yeah, no.
Is tomato paste, tomatoes, fresh parsley and fresh cilantro, fresh scallions, turkey sausage, regular sausage, linguine, onion. got some nice
But you'll see your face.
slim shreds.
It's professional.
I already cut up me some regular onions too. Look at that perfection. Alright, so I like to start butter. I have to melt it because it was frozen. And put it in the hot pot. So, take my spoon that I was using. Butter down some. My butter. And then I also like to add oil to it. Put it on the other end. It gives it a better taste to me. I put oil and butter in mine. And since I'm not cooking hamburger meat, which has its own oil, I'm just cooking sausage. If you cook the sausage out, that's why it's like this. I like the taste of crispy sausage. Like so. Until it's all nice and brown and even coated. Make sure they're all mixed up together evenly. Like so.
So my kitchen is tiny. Y'all don't never really see my house, but see my kitchen is tiny.
Complete.
Slap your mama complete.
Onion powder. Black pepper. That meat.
Look at that meat. It ain't even dry. It still got some moist in it.
You want to see me taste my gravy?
Get a full close-up on the food.
Guys, I'm boiling my tomatoes. Ooh, I just made that so foggy. Boiling my tomatoes so that they can be easy to peel. The skin is already coming off. Look at that. Y'all, look how nice and easy this skin comes off once you boil it for a few minutes. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect for my sauce. Hard. My sauce is going to be 100% homemade. My sauce, y'all. It looks nasty right now. I gotta cook it still. But this is the tomato paste, the rotel, some other stuff, my seasoning. Homemade, y'all.
Nice and thick. Look how thick it is.
The noodles finna dry.
I dropped mine in the sink, but at least he did make hers to the pot. Versus her plating. It looks so good though. It looks so good. Meet our judges. This is my baby sister, judge number 2, and my brother girlfriend, and my brother, judge number 3. All right, we're gonna try the first one with the plate that the forks are in. Give y'all honest opinion. Don't sugarcoat nothing. PJ, why you smiling like that? You just ready to eat, huh?
I got more of a really slimy, kind of just slides straight down your throat.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So is that good or bad, PJ?
It's good. There's some little spice in there.
I taste a little spice.
I like the plating.
Yeah.
The sensation is good.
The texture.
All right. Don't get full off the first plate. We still got one more plate to taste. So we got good little spice in it. Good plating texture. The slimy texture I heard. All right, on to the second plate. Try the second plate. I wonder who made it too.
Chicken cooked perfectly well. Chicken is really good. Cooked evenly. Broccoli very flavorful.
It tastes different too.
All right, time for the results. Did you like the first plating or the second plating better? Let's start with nthaily.
Well, they're both pretty close.
Which one tastes better?
I'm gonna say this one because it's got more sauce on it.
All right, we got one for the first plate.
It's more slimy. That's why.
All right. Savannah. There we go. Savannah. So I do like the broccoli and stuff in this one. But I like the flavor of this one. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then PJ.
I'll tell you both of these. It was good, but the one on the right definitely got me off way better than the one on the left. The one on the left tasted like it's missing some extra. Yeah, you just need some extra.
Something.
No. Yeah, like vegetables or something. You don't feel like a complete meal.
All right. So result wise, Tiana yours won. You beat mine, yeah.
I really thought that one with the broccoli and it was yours.
No, that one's mine.
Wow. Good job.
Yeah, PJ like mine better. Nutella was like, they so close, it's just Tiana just got more sauce. But I didn't add no sauce to mine.
We would added like some broccoli or like some bell peppers.
Y'all gotta make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like up this video. Let us know if y'all like us doing cooking videos. We'll do more cooking videos for y'all. Probably use Tiana's kitchen because her kitchen is bigger than mine. Or give y'all some cooking tutorials. Just let me know. Or let us know. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram. Mine is thicknezz albury. Hers it's Tiana with 2 underscores. So go ahead and follow us. I make sure we'll put a link in the bio of our Instagrams. Follow me on TikTok. Also thicknezz albury. Follow me on Facebook. Taisha thicknezz albury. Follow me everywhere. That way y'all can let me know what pranks to do on them, different vlogs and stuff y'all want to see. Y'all like this cooking and stuff. Yeah, my face is dry. It really is, but it's okay. Alright, you guys. She eating over here.
I'm eating mine.
It's
the winner.
The winner. She just got lucky. It's okay.
I was gonna plate mine really pretty and stuff. It was plated really pretty because you got started, but I had to fix it.
So Tiana, your little unthick sauce came in handy.
I have to thicken it up.
Cause apparently that's what got it. She beat me. It's okay. I beat her butt next time. She got lucky. That's all it was. If we would have left it the way it was at the beginning.
How was it at the beginning?
Salty.
I didn't like it. I had to change it.
Yeah, she was like, you know what? I'm finna do this. I'm finna do that. I'm finna have this and that together. And then, boom. Yeah, y'all can follow me on Instagram if you can find it. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is Samantha Thomas 5133.
Royal _albury.
nthaily is NTH, then I put period AILI.
Alright, y'all follow my peoples on Instagram. Like up their pictures and stuff. Make sure y'all follow me and Tiana on all our social medias. We'll see you next time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Get us up to 100 views, 100 followers, 100 likes. Just get us up over 100.
So y'all gonna do this again? Y'all gonna have a part 2?
I don't know. One day. All right. Bye, guys.